Now today we will go for the next exercise. Already we have discussed about 3 exercises. No? So we have seen in them differently how the information is and how we are going to find out the break-even point, margin of safety as well as PV ratio. This is another model in which you need to calculate the profit. So this is the additional step that you need to calculate. I think you may be able to do this PVR and BEP margin of safety. You can do this for this problem. Only the new thing that we are going to discuss here is how to calculate the profit. So let us see how to calculate this. Already you know how to take the information, and use the profit volume ratio. Here all totals are there now. So directly take the total contribution. So instead of total contribution, I am substituting the formula of total contribution. So that is the total sales minus total variable cost. So divide it with the total sales, multiply it with 100. So this will give you the PV ratio. So how much you will get? 8,000 minus 3,000 divided by 8,000 into 100. So 8,000 minus 3,000 is 5,000. 5,000 divided by 8,000 into 100. So how much? 8,000. Okay. So 5,000 divided by 8,000 will give you how much? 0.625. Okay. 0.625 into 100. Into 100 if you take, that will give you 62.5 percentage. The same thing you write here, 62.5 percentage of PV ratio. Next you need to calculate what? Calculation of BEP. No? So by using the same PV ratio, you calculate the break-even point. Because here total sales are in rupees, no? So you need to calculate BEP in rupees. So you can get this BEP in rupees by using this PV ratio. So sometimes there may be condition in the problem itself that calculate break-even point by using PV ratio. In such case, you have to compulsory use this formula, fixed expenses divided by PV ratio. Otherwise, you can use the as usual break-even point in rupees formula, any of the formula. So this will be simple now. So already we have calculated PV ratio. So that is the reason why I am taking this formula. So fixed expenses, we know it is 4,000. So 4,000 divided by PV ratio we got here is 62.5. No, that I am substituting here. So how you are going to take here? It will be taken as 0.625, not as 62.5. So either you have to take 0.625 or 62.5 divided by 100 you have to take. That will give you how much? 6,400. You can check it in the Calci. So 4,000 divided by 0.625. So this is giving you 6,400. So this 6,400 is nothing but rupees. So you have to mention there rupees 6,400. Now we need to calculate this margin of safety now. So margin of safety we are going to calculate. Take the formula of margin of safety. So because we are having BEP in rupees as well as total sales in rupees, we will get the margin of safety also in rupees. So take that formula, margin of safety in rupees. So this formula you have to take actual sales in rupees minus break-even point in rupees. So actual sales which was given in the problem is 8,000. Substitute that value 8,000 minus BEP which we got here 6,400. Substitute there 6,400. So this will be giving you how much? Rupees 1,600. So check it out in you calculate in the calci. 8,000 minus 6,400. See, 1,600 is the amount that you are going to get. So the same thing was shown here, 1,600. So the result is rupees. Compulsory mention that rupees. And the last point that we need to calculate here is profit. So for profit, we are going to take this formula that we have discussed while I explained you about the different formulas of how to derive the profit now. So this sales minus fixed cost minus variable cost. So this will give you the profit. So this was derived from the formula of sales is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost plus profit. If you want, you go through the formula again, that video again. Okay, how we have derived this. So this formula, from this formula, we are going to calculate the profit. So sales already we know this is 8,000 that was given, and the fixed expenses also given minus 4,000, variable cost 3,000 we have. So substitute those values here, 8,000 minus 4,000 minus 3,000. So how much you will get? Use the calci. 8,000 minus 4,000 minus 3,000 equal to 1,000. So this rupees 1,000 is the profit that you are going to derive. Okay, is that clear? So this is how you are going to find out the profit. So even if you are not going to calculate PV ratio, break-even point, margin of safety, also you can directly calculate the profit now. So that we are going to use here. Otherwise, you can derive by using the margin of safety formula is there, no? Net profit divided by PV ratio. You can use that formula also. So net profit divided by PV ratio. Already we are having this margin of safety in rupees 1,600. No? You substitute 1,600 there. 1,600 is equal to net profit divided by PV ratio. Take it as 0.625. So that will give you profit. How much you will get? 1,600 into 0.625. 1,600. Sorry. 1,600 into 0.625 will give you 1,000 rupees. Okay, you can use that formula also. Profit is equal to margin of safety in rupees multiplied by PV ratio will give you the profit. So that formula also you can use here. Okay, in two ways you can calculate. So that I am not showing on this slide. You can do it on your notebooks. Or you can calculate directly like this, by which I have calculated. Okay. So this is the exercise 4. Sometimes it may be asked to calculate by using PV ratio profit. So in such case, you use the second formula.